Hey, what's good? If you've been trying to scale your business without adding headcount, I'm about to drop 16 AI tools that'll make you rethink how you work. Forget the old ways of doing things. This is about leveraging artificial intelligence to its fullest potential. No, this is not another basic ChatGPT tutorial. These are tools I use across multiple companies right now to stay lean, fast, and profitable. We're talking real-world applications, not just theoretical concepts. Let's get into it. Picture this, your business running smoother, faster, and smarter, without hiring a single extra person. That's the power of these AI tools. I've personally used them to automate everything from sales to operations, freeing up my team to focus on what really matters: growth and innovation. First up, Fathom. It's your AI meeting co-pilot, designed to streamline your meetings and boost productivity. It records, transcribes, and summarizes meetings automatically. Imagine never needing to take notes again, freeing you to fully engage in the conversation and having instant, role-specific action items delivered to your team. Here's a real-world example. Last week my marketing lead asked, "What did our head of sales say about the Q3 pipeline?" And Fathom pulled up the exact answer in seconds. No more digging through endless meeting recordings. It's like having a super efficient personal assistant dedicated to every meeting. If you're not using this, you're already behind. Next, Zapier. This one's been a workhorse for years, a true veteran in the automation space. It connects your apps and automates repetitive workflows, scheduling, follow-ups, invoicing, you name it. Think of all those tedious tasks that eat up your time. Zapier can handle them. For example, I set up Zapier to automatically send follow-up emails after every sales call, update our CRM, and even trigger Slack alerts for hot leads. One company I know is making $25 million a year running AI-built apps, and the back end? All Zapier. This is time freedom on autopilot. It allows you to focus on what truly matters: strategic growth and innovation. Gumloop looks like Zapier, but smarter. It doesn't just automate, it decides. AI-driven workflows handle lead scoring, recruiting, expense routing, and more. It's like giving your business a brain, capable of making intelligent decisions based on data. For instance, we use Gumloop to automatically score leads and route the best ones to our top sales reps, while low-priority tasks get handled in the background. This goes beyond simple automation. It's about intelligent process optimization. This is Zapier meets strategy. Cursor is wild. It turns plain English into production-ready code. No more struggling with complex syntax or spending hours debugging. One of my finance guys, who doesn't code, used it to write internal software. Imagine one dev doing the work of 10. Here's the kicker. Microsoft says 90% of their code will be AI written soon. Cursor is why. We built a custom dashboard for our finance team in a single afternoon, no engineers needed. It's democratizing software development, making it accessible to everyone. Notebook LM from Google is my thinking partner. It digests deal docs, meetings, campaign data, then generates creative insights. It's like having a research team at your fingertips, sifting through information and extracting valuable knowledge. Before every board meeting, I run our latest reports through Notebook LM and get a summary of key insights and creative ideas for new campaigns. It's like having a strategist on demand, ready to spark innovation whenever you need it. This version of ChatGPT pulls real-time web data. It's not just regurgitating old information, it's accessing the latest insights and trends. Want to get on a top podcast? Ask it to map out mutual connections and draft an intro email. I used ChatGPT to research industry trends for a product launch, and it found up-to-the-minute data, plus suggested the best podcasts to pitch. It's like having a business researcher, networker, and strategist in your pocket, faster than any human team. Claude is my go-to when I want clean, deep, non-hallucinated insights. I use it for copywriting, feedback analysis, even customer form insights. On mobile, it runs in the background while I'm on calls, providing real-time assistance and information. For example, during a client call, Claude flagged a key customer concern and suggested a solution on the spot. Clear, fast, and accurate, it's a reliable source of truth in a world of AI noise. Revio is an AI chatbot that actually sells. It pulls past chat history, provides context to reps, and helps close leads with personalized touch, even months later. Social media lead scoring? On lock. We closed a deal last quarter when Revio reminded a rep about a lead from months ago, complete with chat history and context. It's not just about answering questions, it's about driving revenue. This is your Slack savior. ChatAid monitors convos and instantly answers questions like, "Where's the onboarding doc?" or "What's the vacation policy?" It's like a full-time assistant living in your Slack workspace, always ready to help. Our HR team cut response times in half by letting Chat Aid handle routine questions, freeing up everyone to focus on more strategic tasks. Icon takes one prompt and generates 100 ad variations. It scans your site and competitors, ditches the bad ones, and scales the top performers. Some agencies are printing millions using Icon in the background, and nobody knows. We used Icon to test dozens of ad creatives in a single week, instantly scaling the winners and cutting wasted spend. It's like having a secret weapon for advertising success. Gamma turns a bullet list into a polished pitch deck, or even a website, in minutes. If you've ever pitched investors or clients, you know the power of a good deck. Gamma makes sure you always look pro. I landed a new client after sending a Gamma-built deck that looked like it took days to make, but it was done in under an hour. It's about making a strong first impression and conveying your message effectively. Precision gives you a real-time pulse on your business. It connects to your stack and spits out what's working, what's broken, and what to fix. Think of it as a data scientist that lives inside your KPIs, constantly monitoring performance and identifying areas for improvement. We caught a drop in customer satisfaction early because Precision flagged it, letting us fix the issue before it became a problem. That's the kind of insight that keeps your business ahead. Atlas handles voice follow-ups, confirmations, and outreach. We use it to remind 150+ teens in our Kings Club about events, without manual calls. Speed to lead equals sign revenue. Atlas gives you instant response time. We boosted event attendance by 30% just by automating reminders with Atlas. It ensures that no opportunity is missed. N8N is open-source automation for power users. It connects 500+ apps with GPT-level logic. We use it to pull Fathom notes into project tools, monitor bad reviews, and launch automatic workflows. Total control, total scale. For example, we set up N8N to alert us instantly if a bad review comes in, so we can respond before it spreads. It's about building custom automation solutions tailored to your specific needs. Lovable turns prompts into fully deployed apps in minutes. Forget spreadsheets. Need a custom CRM for your team? Just ask Lovable. Agencies are selling these mini apps to clients for big profits. We built a custom project tracker for a client in under an hour and they were blown away. It's about creating valuable tools quickly and efficiently. Last up, Valve. This one's a secret weapon. It automates ops, predicts customer churn, optimizes logistics, and flags compliance issues in real time. It's like having a COO made of pure data. Real-time strategy, no extra hires. We caught a potential compliance issue before it became a crisis, thanks to Valve's real-time alerts. It allows you to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Here's the thing. These 16 tools turn you into a director, not a doer. You're not just automating tasks, you're architecting a smarter business. That's how you scale to 1 million and beyond, without hiring 100 people. I've seen companies double their revenue just by implementing a handful of these tools. It's about leveraging AI to create a more efficient, agile, and profitable organization. Check the description below for all the tool links. And if you're building with AI and want to collab or get funding, DM me Ventures on Instagram. Let's connect and explore the possibilities together. We're not just watching the AI revolution, we're building with it. We're actively shaping the future of business.